Transform your living room with stylish and cozy fireplace decor ideas for the holiday season. Introduction: Embracing the heart of your home. Welcome to the Decor YouTube channel, where we explore the latest trends in architecture and home interior design. As the holiday season approaches, the living room often becomes the heart of our homes, serving as a gathering place for family and friends. One of the best ways to create a warm and inviting atmosphere is by focusing on your fireplace decor. In today's video, we will delve into stylish and cozy fireplace decor ideas that will transform your living room into a festive haven for the holidays. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments as we embark on this exciting journey together. Choosing the right style for your fireplace. Before diving into decor ideas, it's essential to consider the style of your fireplace. Whether you have a classic wood-burning model, a sleek gas insert, or a modern electric fireplace, each type offers unique opportunities for decoration. A traditional fireplace can be complemented with rustic elements like wooden mantels and natural stone, while a contemporary model may call for minimalist decor and clean lines. Understanding your fireplace's aesthetic will help you choose decor that enhances its character and integrates seamlessly into your living room design. creating a stunning mantle display. The mantle is a prime opportunity for decoration and can become a stunning focal point in your living room. Begin by selecting a color palette that resonates with the holiday season. Incorporate festive elements like garlands, candles, and ornaments to create a visually engaging display. Layer your decor by using varying heights. Tall candlesticks can add drama, while shorter elements like decorative boxes or small potted plants can fill gaps and create balance. Personal touches, such as family photos or handmade ornaments, can add depth and make your mantle truly unique. Incorporating cozy textiles. Textiles play a vital role in establishing warmth and comfort around your fireplace. Consider draping a soft, chunky knit blanket over a nearby chair or sofa to invite relaxation. Layer throw pillows in rich, festive colors and varying textures to create a cozy seating area. Soft rugs placed in front of the fireplace can also add an inviting touch and provide warmth underfoot. By thoughtfully selecting and arranging these textiles, you can create an environment that feels both cozy and stylish, perfect for holiday gatherings. lighting for the holiday ambience. While the glow of the fire itself creates warmth, additional lighting can elevate the ambience of your fireplace area. Consider using fairy lights or LED candles on the mantle to create a magical effect. Incorporate stylish lamps or wall sconces that cast a warm, inviting light in the room. The combination of flickering flames and soft lighting will enhance the cozy atmosphere, making it the perfect setting for intimate holiday gatherings. Layering different light sources allows you to create a versatile environment suitable for both festive celebrations and quiet evenings by the fire. Seasonal decor changes. One of the joys of decorating your fireplace is the ability to switch things up with the seasons. For the holidays, embrace themes of coziness and festivity by incorporating elements like faux snow, evergreen branches, and ornaments that reflect your personal style. As the season progresses, you can easily update your mantle decor to reflect winter themes, spring florals, or even summer greenery. This not only keeps your living room feeling fresh but also allows you to express creativity and adapt your decor throughout the year, making each gathering unique. comfortable seating arrangements. Creating a cozy atmosphere goes beyond decor, it's also about how your space is arranged. Position your furniture to face the fireplace, allowing everyone to enjoy the warmth and glow. Opt for oversized chairs or a plush sectional sofa where family and friends can gather comfortably. Incorporate a few poufs or ottomans for additional seating or footrests. A well-thought-out layout encourages interaction and makes your living room a welcoming space for all. By fostering a connection between seating and the fireplace, you can create an inviting environment for holiday celebrations. Personalizing your space. Personal touches can make your fireplace area feel uniquely yours. Consider displaying items that reflect your personality, such as travel souvenirs, favorite books, or cherished holiday decorations. Handcrafted ornaments or family heirlooms can add sentiment and nostalgia to the space. Including elements that tell your story not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also fosters a sense of belonging and warmth. When guests see decorations that resonate with you, they will feel more connected to your home and to you. maintenance and safety considerations. While creating a cozy fireplace atmosphere, it's essential to prioritize safety and maintenance. Regularly clean your fireplace and chimney to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. Use fireplace screens or glass doors to prevent sparks from escaping while still allowing the beauty of the fire to shine through. Additionally, keep flammable materials at a safe distance from the fire. Taking these precautions not only protects your home but also contributes to a stress-free environment, allowing you to fully enjoy the warmth and joy of the fireplace without worry. Conclusion: celebrating the holiday season in style. As we wrap up our exploration of stylish and cozy fireplace decor ideas, remember that creating a warm atmosphere is about combining thoughtful decor with personal touches. From stunning mantle displays to comfortable seating arrangements, each element contributes to the overall ambience of your living room. By following these tips, you can ensure that your fireplace becomes a cherished focal point during the holiday season, a place where memories are made and warmth is shared. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to the Decor YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share your favorite fireplace decor tips in the comments. Let's make this holiday season one filled with warmth, connection, and